So, as India is gearing up for the COVID-19 vaccine, can you please tell us how the state is ready for that?
Okay. Right from the beginning, due to pandemic, we are expecting some kind of vaccine that has to come. And finally, India, we have two vaccines as of today. One is Covishield, which is produced at Serum Institute at Pune. Then another is Covaxin, that is indigenous and is produced by Bharat Biotech. Now these two vaccines has been licensed and it is ready for use or to be given to the beneficiaries. Now in terms of readiness, we have done lots of exercise to start with meetings, trainings, then site selections, and so many other things that involves, of course, preparedness. And the most important aspect of our preparation was that we did a dry run on 2nd of January. Dry run is a kind of mock drill that when the vaccine arrives and when we actually have the vaccination session, how it will look like or how it will happen. And the idea was to make our vaccinator feel firsthand that this is the situation. We did one in one district on January 2nd in two facilities, one at Rakat Colony UPSC and then one at Itaport UPSC. Altogether, we vaccinated mock beneficiaries. We have, on that day was 50, 25 each. Then again, we ran of our own state initiative. We ran this dry run or mock drill again on 5th January. That was for all the districts, and we also did repeat dry run for Upper Subansiri and Anini. So we have completed the dry run process, and I think our vaccinators are fully confident that we can deliver the vaccine to the beneficiaries. So this is all about the general preparation, and regarding the after that, of course, the vaccine has to arrive. Now vaccine will arrive tomorrow. Will arrive tomorrow 9 a.m. at Guwahati Airport, and from there on, our team is already at Guwahati. They will be picking up the vaccine consignment, and they will reach Itanagar with the vaccine at around say 5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. And we also have arranged all the district team for collection of these vaccines. Once it reaches here, within 2 to 3 hours, we will be sorting out and we will be issuing to the districts. Now, the district teams are almost ready here. They are already here with vehicles. So they will be carrying back the vaccine tomorrow in the evening. Maybe by 9 p.m. we will be able to complete that task. And say in the night and say by early morning, everybody, almost all the districts will be having the vaccine, except few districts where they have to collect from the nearby district, who actually collects for them from the state headquarters. So this is the readiness that we have, and we are fully prepared for the arrival of the vaccine.
So talking about as you have mentioned, Covaxin and Covishield will be available. What vaccine will be available here?
Okay.
Both of them?
Okay. Government of India has decided that one state will have only one vaccine, one kind of vaccine. So they have allotted Covishield for Arunachal Pradesh, which is Serum Institute product. And from beginning, say from 16 until the vaccination process is over, we will be having only Covishield all the time.
Okay. For phase 1, to whom will it be available for the frontline?
So the priority that we are doing it as per the GOI plan. The first priority is healthcare worker. Under this, all the healthcare workers who are working in the hospitals, dispensaries, that is PHC, CHC, sub-center and district hospitals. Along with that, we have included our ASAs in the village, ASA facilitators in the village. Then also we have included Anganwadi worker, Anganwadi helper, supervisor of the ICDS program, and the CDPO of the ICDS program of those blocks and districts. So they are the first priority. So this first beginning of this vaccination program will cover all of them. We have 23,505. That is our count as of today, and of course the number will not increase anymore. It is freeze now. So for this 23,505 people, this is across the districts. We have a list, district-wise numbers, and the vaccine allocation also has been already done by Government of India as per the number of beneficiaries in the districts. So once the vaccine comes, we'll be sending the vaccines according to the GY allocation. I think.
So how many numbers of vaccine will be in Arunachal? As you said, 22,000
Yeah.
frontline workers.
Yeah, release of vaccine actually will not be, Government of India will not be releasing at one time, because the whole country has to be given. No? So they are releasing first first release, second release, like that. So approximately the allocation that they have given to us is around 60% of the total beneficiary. That means another 40% will be coming shortly. As we progress, more vaccines will be coming. So it will not be like everybody will be vaccinated at the same time. We'll slowly increase the number. Then as vaccine comes more and more, so we'll be covering everybody in the healthcare group.
Okay, so the Covishield is known to be very effective. So how safe is it? And if it is not safe, for the side effects, is there any measure to take precautions?
Yeah. So I just want to emphasize, for any vaccine to come into the service area, it has to undergo lots of trials. We call it preclinical trials, then 3 steps of clinical trials, first, second, third. Every step will measure a kind of different quality of the vaccine. For example, safety is number 1. Safety has to be there, but even if it is safe, it has to protect once it is given to somebody. Now the immunogenicity we call, I'll assure from our department side that this vaccine that we are going to get is very, very effective. I would say very safe. There is no major side effects reported as of today, because this vaccine is used in many countries. Even in UK, this is being used. Now, along with the safety, the important thing is this vaccine generates high amount of immunogenicity. That is the protection that it will give by, by inducing the system in the body and producing antibodies. Ultimately, antibody is the main factor that will fight if there is a contact with some coronavirus. So my final point on this will be, it is very safe and it is very or highly immunogenic. So it will protect the person.
So the question is, if it has side effects, is there any precautions the state is taking?
Okay.
How?
Side effect, I say there is no side effect. Like for any injection that we take, there will be pain, swelling, all those things happen. But that apart, that is for general injection, for all the injection. But there is no proven side effects as of today. But there are few points that I want to just mention to you. One is this vaccine will not be given to any person below 18 years of age, because no trial has been done on those group of people. Second is, this vaccine also will not be given to pregnant women, because this has not been tried. Then third is, if a person is known to be allergic to any kind of vaccine earlier, maybe taken earlier, and if it is known that vaccine लेने से ये बीमार होता है, that kind of person should tell कि हमको ये लेने से ये होता है, so they will not be provided vaccine. Otherwise, everybody has to take, especially those people, because we are seeing those people who have already suffered from coronavirus, they also need to take, because coronavirus also induces some kind of immunity, some kind of antibody, but it is in very limited amount, and also it is for a very short duration. Whereas if we take this vaccine, it will generate high amount of immunogenicity means the protection level will be much higher, and also it will remain in the body for longer period. So this is what I want to emphasize.
So the state is also already prioritizing the health workers for the vaccine.
Right.
So they will be on isolation or maybe for 14 days or
No,
can you
no.
please have?
No, vaccination actually it has one way I would say it is nothing to do with the COVID disease now. That period is over. Now we are into the vaccine period, so it doesn't. There is no requirement of that.
So there won't be any precautions to take. I mean, they can meet people after the vaccination.
Yeah. Only the corona care or the new normal behavior that has to be followed. I'll tell you one thing. If somebody gets vaccine today, then this will have 2 doses. Second dose will be after 28 days. So 2 doses. Now we know from the studies that we generally for immunization, the first dose is always a sensitization dose. It does not protect from single dose. Now once sensitized, after 28 days, the same thing foreign body is being injected. Then the immunization or the production of the antibody starts, and the count is from first day first dose to 28 days second dose, and after 28 days of count is 14 days after 20 days. So altogether it is 45 days. Now at 45 days the body will have enough antibody to fight the coronavirus. So therefore it is very important that we maintain put on the mask, then sanitizer, soap, hand wash, social distancing. So all those protocols will have to be properly followed.
So talking about the vaccine needs a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius.
Right.
So is there any accommodation for that
Yeah.
in the state?
We have the routine immunization running in the state, as you all know, for children. Now we have enough cold chain points. We call it cold chain points, where we store the vaccine in some specific electrical equipments. One is the ice line refrigerator, where we keep the vaccine at 2 to 8 degrees. Now this vaccine also will go into that machine. Another machine we have, which is a deep freezer. So it only can produce ice packs, means ice cubes similar to the marketed ones. So we have ice packs जिसमें हम पानी भर के वो मशीन में डालते हैं, then it becomes ice. That is used for storage if electricity failure is there, or maybe transportation में हम उसको use करते हैं, or when we go out to the session we carry the vaccine along with these ice packs. So we have enough. The state has 195 cold chain points as on today, and every cold chain point has these 2 machines. So we are fully comfortable with the number of vaccine that is coming, and space requirement we have more than what is required.
So maybe know when can the layman, when can a public to get this beneficiary
Vaccine.
When can they
Yeah,
register?
the government of India plan is they have categorized into 4 groups, but it does not mean that first wala khatam hoga, then second में जाएगा, second, third में. It is not planned like that. The plan is it looks like that. The plan looks like that only because vaccine का availability का बात है. If vaccine एकदम available है, then first category जो अभी health care worker का जो बोला है, ये खत्म होने से पहले भी FLW वाला सेकेंड ग्रुप वाला उसका भी हम शुरू कर सकता है. तो वो अवेलेबिलिटी वैक्सीन, तो जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे हेल्थ केयर वर्कर से, देन विद दिस विल ऑल्सो नो मच बेटर कि प्रोग्राम में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम होते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी navigate and maybe improve on that, and by that time we'll be reaching the general public.
Okay. So prices वही रहेगा 200 and 300. For Covishield.
Oh yeah, the price that is quoted is that the government of India price.
Okay.
They are buying for us. This vaccine will be given free of cost, absolutely free of cost.
So is it free of cost?
Yes.
For the vaccine?
Yes.
Okay. For the public also?
Everybody in the list. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.